Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be talking about dental care for dogs who you can't touch. February is Pet Dental Health Month. So we also have some sort of special deals going on right now. I'll tell you about at the end of the talk today, but let's jump right into it. We all know dental health is important, but what do we do when we can't touch our dogs? So dental health care for dogs who can't be touched. Now, the problem is, of course, that poor dental health can worsen fear and aggression. Anything that causes sort of pain or discomfort, and dental disease certainly would qualify, can worsen behavior, especially fearful and aggressive behavior. And of course, there's also physical health issues. Untreated dental disease can cause bigger health problems. Now, if you've got a dog you can't touch, or at least you can't touch their mouth, you're wondering, well, what am I supposed to do? So if you can't touch your dog's mouth, you've got a problem. Toothbrushing is the best option to maintain your dog's dental health. And we do have a course on this, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. There'll be a link at the end of the talk to it. It's on 50% off sale this month. But what else can you do if you're nowhere near being able to touch your dog's face and brush their teeth? Option number one would include dental chews. So these are edible chews of some kind. You can usually get them at a pet store, although some you need to get at a vet's office. These are at-home, hands-off options for improving your dog's dental health. Not as good as toothbrushing by a long shot, but definitely better than nothing, particularly if you get a VOHC approved product. That's the Veterinary Oral Health Council. You can Google VOHC and you can find links to a list of approved products. We did do a little dog taste test of approved products last year in February, I think, for Dental Health Month. If you go to this link here in our blog, dogkindtraining.com/blog/dental chew review with underscores between the words, you can go take a look at that blog and video of our dogs testing out some of the VOHC approved dental chews. Another option that is hands-off for improving dental health are water additives. And there are some, again, that are approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council. So go ahead and go to their website, take a look at what they got there. Not a lot of these that are approved, but there are a few. There are also prescription diets that are dental diets. And again, the Veterinary Oral Health Council does rate these and approves them, or approves some of them anyway. So you can take a look again at their website and see what's approved. Talk to your vet. I'm not sure if all dental diets are prescription or if there are some that are kind of over the counter. You can find out, but there are some that have been tested and shown to have some beneficial impact on your dogs' teeth and their oral health. So those are three things you can do at home. At the vet, you can and should probably get have your dog have regular dental cleanings under anesthesia. I know that some vet practices and many sort of non-veterinary folks offer anesthesia-free dentals. These are not considered good practice and may do more harm than good. If you want to know more about that, there's info online, but you can also shoot us a message and I can send you links to position statements from veterinary organizations about anesthesia-free dentals, but they are not recommended. So go ahead and get your dog regular, good, deep cleanings of their teeth under anesthesia, especially if you can't brush their teeth at all. I realize a trip to the vet for a lot of our dogs is really stressful, but at least they'll be under for this procedure. All right, so just to summarize, your options if you cannot touch your dog's mouth at all, but you still want to do what you can for their dental health. You've got at-home products, the chews, water additives, and diets. And then you should also be getting your dog regular cleanings at the veterinarian. All right, folks, so if you want more info on dental products for your dog you can use at home, Pancakes Veterinarian has recorded a webinar on this. It's a short webinar. If you go to the link at the bottom here, dogkindtraining.com/dental products webinar with dashes between the words, you can sign up to get the link to this webinar. And if you're interested in training your dog to have their teeth brushed, underneath that webinar, there is a button that will take you to our page about our toothbrushing course, or you can just head over to our website and look under online classes. It's there as well. All right, everybody, have a wonderful week. Work on your dog's dental health this week. Remember, it's not restricted to just their mouth. It can affect their behavioral health and other parts of their body as well. So very important. Even if you can't touch your dog, there are things you can do to help. So give some of these things a try, and I will see you next week.